The REDCAMP portable folding grill table is an excellent addition to your camping and overlanding gear. This camp table is lightweight, durable, sturdy, and won't break the bank, costing just $95 Canadian or $70 US, and it's available on Amazon. You can find a shopping link in this video's description. One feature we really like is that the legs snap into the underside of the table for storage so nothing gets lost. The table measures 36 by 24 inches and has two height settings. You can do regular table height, which is at 28 inches, or coffee table height at 18 inches. The REDCAMP folding table sets up in a snap. The table is made of aluminum, so it's lightweight and easy to clean. We looked at many comparable camp tables, and in the fine print it tells you that the tabletop is not metal, but it's a pressed fiberboard, so it's not great for cleanup or for rainy weather. It weighs just 7.4 pounds, and folded it packs super small, 24 by 18 by 3 inches. Our REDCAMP table is well used and well traveled. It was our kitchen table, our coffee table, and our office table for a few months while we were in the process of downsizing, selling everything, and moving. This table moved with us as we moved and camped all the way from Canada to Nicaragua, and it's in our pack-up for our next adventure, Costa Rica and Panama. If you're looking for a great camp table, the REDCAMP folding portable table has our vote. Great for camping, overlanding, take it RVing, tailgating, or even a handy extra table to have around the house. If you found this gear review helpful, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next amazing adventure.